watch you.
I don't want to see any dinosaurs, so.
G'day guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Well, sit back and prepare to be totally blown away. Quick, there to your right. That's a Dinosaur. Oh man, she's got a nest, look, with eggs in it. That sounded mighty close. Okay, so I know I may come across as a fearless, intrepid explorer. Deep down, I'm a safety man. So please remain seated, keep your arms and legs in the car at all times. And talking about safety, here's my aeroplane. Good job I had my bells on. It was a bit of a bumpy landing. It's just caught a fish. Oh, man. Check out the magical waterfall ring. It is said this spring has been running since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million years ago in old money. This fine looking dino is an iguanodon.
I need that one.
That's our security guy. He takes pics of everyone and plants them on the wall in Outpost 12 for all to see. Now this is a very special place. There's a couple of raptors who've decided to nest in this old disused tunnel. Look to the left in that recess. Wow. It's that baby raptor's got just hatched. This is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Oh, cute little fella, isn't he, eh? Check him out. Wasn't expecting that. Best get out of here.
I didn't even look at the wall. I just had my head down. Wasn't expecting that.
Where is an Albertosaurus? He originally lived in Canada over 70 million years ago. You'll note he's got a heap full of sharp teeth, so it probably resides near the top of the food chain. Now these fellas to the left are ornitholestes, or they're bird eaters. But these two look like they've had a bit of a fallout. So in the interest of my safety, oh, and yours of course as well, I'm going to head us out of here, Brian. Well, enjoy the rest of your day, folks.